everyone, welcome back to another Singapore vlog. So today is our last day in Singapore. It's our 4th day and our flight would be on the next day ng madaling araw. So we're going to spend more than 12 hours here in Jewel Changi. Later, we would go on our flight. So I know you would say that 12 hours is too much to spend in one area, but ang dami talagang pwedeng gawin dito sa Jewel. So, I'm here to show you the things that you can do. Also, plan your trip in case, kunwari, if you have layovers or if matagal din yung flight nyo going back to your country. So, first, kumain din muna kami kasi yun nga, matagal pa yung oras na antayin namin for boarding. And since nagkikrave ako sa sushi, dito muna kami kumain sa Japanese restaurant sa baba. Sobrang daming restaurants here sa bottom floors and also madami ding choices. After namin kumain, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa baba and hindi talaga nakakasawang tignan tong indoor waterfall na to. By the way, this is yung downstairs version ng actual waterfall sa taas. Guys, yung fountain. Tapos, if you watched my previous vlog, yung Singapore haul, ito yung binili ko na beats dito sa Jewel, guys. Kasi ang daming ang stores na pwede nyong puntahan while waiting sa flight nyo.
Alright, so we'll see you in a bit.
So, aside from looking at the different sites and scenery nila here inside, you can also go shopping kasi there's so many shopping stores here sa Jewel. And nga pala guys, ito yung first time ko na nalaman na may IMAX dito na yung price is more cheaper than sa Manila, sa malls in Manila. So, sobrang worth it siya to try out guys. If you have plenty of time and if you're bored, you can go ahead and watch new movies that are out. We all know maganda talaga yung IMAX. So, maganda yung seats and also comfy siya. And again, it's very affordable. Ayun o, Shaw Theaters IMAX. Alam mo yung Jurassic World dito sa IMAX? $11 lang per person. Eh sa Manila parang 800 pesos ba? IMAX. Sobrang worth it. So, ayun, after namin manood, kumain din na lang din ulit kami kasi medyo matagal pa yung flight namin. But again, thank you so much for watching and hope you liked this video or learned something even though short lang. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you like this video and I hope you have a great day. Bye!